Hello, my name is Russell. I'm here to show you my 2001 Ford F250 Super Duty. It is a V8, it is gas, but it's been a great truck for me. I bought it in 2004. It's got 120,000 miles on it. I've 160,000 miles. It's dealer maintained. Recently had just about a whole new AC system put in, new alternator, new brakes, everything that the truck has needed I've done. All the suspension is nice and tight. Anytime anything was loose, I brought it in, had it taken care of. The truck drives like new, and I have all the records of the maintenance from the dealer that's been maintaining it for me. Just a little bit about it. This truck won't be coming with these wheels. It'll actually be coming with a brand new set of wheels off of a 250 Platinum, because I'm going to put these wheels on my new truck. Anyway, as you can see, the condition of the truck is pretty much much better than you'd find for any other 2001. The paint on it, the exterior is excellent. For years I've had a couple of bumps here and there, but I've always had them taken care of. That's why the truck is really, really clean. So the camera will come around, you'll be able to see. Nice and clean, all body lines are straight. Interior is clean. I even changed the cup holder out after it broke, so I have a brand new cup holder here. It's got a high-end Pioneer Bluetooth radio, which I don't know the model of it, but just put that in. That was like $600. Brand new steering wheel. I'll show you on the other side. But you can see all the panels on the truck are perfect. A little bit of a scratch here, not much. I've got one of these rollaway tops on it. I put on about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Works perfectly. It locks inside the truck. I've got one of these soft bed liners. Really nice shape. I actually just used the truck as a car. I have not used it as a work truck, as you can see. The tailgate is perfect on it. I got the chrome dress-up kit for the door handles. I upgraded the running board. You can see it's a nice shape here. Like I said, the steering wheel's brand new. Upholstery's in very nice condition. It's not a brand new truck, but I get compliments on it. I'm going to start it up so you hear the motor. Nice and quiet, like a brand new motor. I don't have any problems, no leaks, no dirty oil, nothing on it. Windows tinted. No power windows. All power seats, everything, all accessories on the truck work, all electrical. Basically, it's pretty much like new. I hate to say that for 2001, but it is. I'm very proud of it. I kept it in really nice shape. Front of it, the chrome is all excellent condition. I upgraded the headlights a few years back, so they look new. Also, important, I had the roof painted, and I had all the lights on the top replaced because it started to peel. The clear coat started peeling on the roof, so I had the dealer over at Margate Ford, the body shop. They took all the lights off, the windshield out, the whole roof of the truck was painted, re-clear coated, and brand new lights put back on top, as well as the reverse light. So that's pretty much it. If you're interested, give me a call. Thank you.